Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the PIIN token. Now the PIIN token, or the PIIN coin, however you want to say it, just got a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange starting tomorrow, December 28th. Now the symbol for the PIIN coin here looks kind of like the Pi network. Which is an old school crypto coin. We're going to go over the information on the PIIN coin and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token is on the Ethereum blockchain. It says, in the ever-evolving world of digital finance, cryptocurrency has emerged as a cornerstone of innovation, redefining the way we perceive, use, and manage money. With the PIIN token, we are at the precipice of a new chapter in this digital revolution where accessibility, efficiency, and security converge. Now, like I said, it's an Ethereum token. Total supply is 100 billion pins. They have 199 holders so far, 18 decimal places, and there is a max total supply of 100 billion PIIN tokens. Now, this token just got a brand new central exchange listing starting December 28th at 13 hours UTC time. The PIIN token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get the PIIN token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search PIINS, and then simply just buy the token. So on Mexc, they have the ticker symbol as PINS with an S at the end, but the actual ticker symbol has no S on it. So just be aware of that. It says PIIN token. Ticker will be PINS on Mexc. Please take note of this before proceeding with deposits and withdrawals. Now, PIIN token emerges as a beacon of innovation poised to redefine the landscape of digital finance. Now, their vision, it says, our vision is to establish PIIN token as a pivotal player in the realm of cryptocurrency, bridging the gap between the complex world of blockchain technology and the everyday financial needs of the people worldwide. We aim to create a digital currency that is not just secure and efficient, but also accessible and usable for everyone regardless of their technical background. Our mission is multifaceted to provide a robust and scalable digital currency that addresses the existing limitations of speed, scalability, the cost of transactions, to foster a decentralized financial ecosystem that powers users by offering more control and transparency over their financial assets, to innovate in the area of blockchain technology, making it more user-friendly, environmentally sustainable, and adaptable for various applications, to cultivate a global community of PIIN token users and developers working collaboratively to continuously improve the PIIN ecosystem. So they have a problem statement on here, and it says the problems is complexity and usability, scalability issues, lack of real-world utility, volatility, and environmental concerns. So PIIN token is designed to tackle these challenges head-on by simplifying the user experience. We make cryptocurrency accessible to a broader audience, including those without technical expertise. Our innovative blockchain architecture ensures scalability, maintaining high transaction speeds and low costs, even as the network grows. We focus on real-world utility, ensuring that PIIN Token has a practical application beyond mere investment. Environmental sustainability is the core consideration in our blockchain design, aiming for a smaller carbon footprint. And the stability mechanism in our tokenomics model reduces volatility, making PIIN Token a more reliable digital currency. Through these initiatives, PIIN Token differentiates itself as an existing cryptocurrency, offering a solution that is not only technologically advanced, but also practical, sustainable, and user-friendly. Now, the PIIN Token is a cutting-edge crypto designed to revolutionize digital transactions. It offers a blend of speed, efficiency, and security. As a utility token, PIIN serves as the backbone of an expansive ecosystem catering to a diverse range of financial activities and applications. Now, the key functions and functionalities is decentralized finance integration, fast and low-cost transactions, multi-utility nature, community governance, so you're going to have voting rights and whatnot, vote on proposals, which direction you think the project should go in, and scalable and eco-friendly. Now, the PIIN Token is on the Ethereum blockchain, like I mentioned earlier. You can check out their Etherscan and how the token is allocated, how it's split up here. 15% of the tokens go to institutional strategic investments, 10% promotional activities, 60% goes to liquidity mining, 5% liquidity increase, 5% partner development, and 10% development fund mining pool. So there's all sorts of information about that. It says they will deploy this token on the Binance Smart Chain as well in the future. So this is going to be a basically a cross-chain token on Ethereum and BNB. So some of the applications for the PIIN Token, the use cases, what you can use it for, it says e-commerce and retail payments, cross-border transactions, decentralized finance, gaming and virtual goods, smart contracts and automation, loyalty programs and rewards, and philanthropy and donations. And they go over the whole technical architecture, all this type of stuff, roadmap, everything on their white paper, which you can find at pincoins-organization.gitbook.io. Now you can find their webpage at pincoin.space. Their Twitter, I'm going to put in the corner of the screen there as usual, at PIIN_coin, and then we have a Telegram at PIIN_English group. So that leads me to believe that this is going to be in different languages as well, all sorts of different language Telegram groups and whatnot. Brand new project though, getting a brand new central exchange listing on Mexc Global starting tomorrow. So check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that Mexc Global one. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.